Hello students, welcome back in your second term. Our next chapter is chapter number 7, solids, liquids and gases. The objects that we see around us are made of different materials. All these materials have something in common. They occupy space and have some weight. These all are the examples of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Suppose this is a piece of rock and this is a matter. It occupies some space and it has some weight. This pencil, this is also a matter. It has some weight and it occupies some space. This marker is also a matter. This tester is also a matter. Next one is states of matter. States of matter. First one is solid, liquid and gas. First one is solids. Solids have defined shape and size. Suppose this is a solid thing. It has defined shape and size. When they keep the same shape, things such as table, pencil, this piece of stone, all these have a fixed shape. And the molecules in solids are very closely packed. See, the molecules in the solids are closely packed to each other. This gives them their defined shape. So this is a solid thing. In this the molecules are tightly packed, closely packed. Next one is liquids. You must have often poured water into a bottle. The water flows into the bottle and quickly fills it. Water flows easily because it is a liquid. Liquids such as milk, oil and juice flow easily and take the shape of the containers. Suppose this is a glass of water, this is a liquid and this water takes the shape of this glass. When I pour this in the beaker, then it will take the shape of the beaker. So liquids has defined volume but not a defined shape. The volume of water is same if it is in beaker or it is in glass, but the shape is changed. So the liquids have defined volume but not a defined shape. The molecules are, see, the molecules are not closely packed. The molecules in the liquid have space between them. Okay. Next one is gases. If we heat the water, it changes into water vapor and or steam. Steam is the gaseous form of water. The sun heats the water in water bodies that exist on the earth. This water changes into water vapor and rises in the air, and that process is called evaporation. You can observe at your home, if you take some water in a bowl and heat it, then water vapors are there and that process is called evaporation. So here is some difference between these three states. First one is solid. Solid have fixed shape and have fixed volume. And next one is liquid. Liquid do not have fixed shape as we discussed and have a fixed volume. And in the gaseous do not have a fixed shape and do not have a fixed volume. So the next thing is matter has weight. See, this is a piece of stone and this is a pencil. Both the things have weight. You can see both the things have a weight, but it has much weight than this one. So the matter has weight. In the same thing, this is an empty beaker and this is a glass full of water. These both have some weight but different. You can also observe a balloon filled with air and one balloon without air. You can see the difference between the weights of that balloons. Next one is matter occupies space. As we already discussed that a piece of stone occupies space, pencil occupies space, duster occupies space. So all the matter things occupy space. Next one is uses of solids, liquids and gases. First one is solids. Solids are used when we need something to keep it in shape. Solid things are in shape. We cannot compress them to change their shape. See this stone, we cannot compress this stone to change the shape. It has a fixed shape. Next one is liquid. Liquid are used where we need something to flow or take the shape of the container, as we discussed how it take the shape of the container, in that we pour the water. We need water to flow so that it can be poured into a container. Next one is gases. Gases are used when we need something that need to be compressed. Air is filled inside tires because it compresses. As you see the tires of the bikes, tires of the cars. Perfumes and sprays are also used because they spread on being sprayed and their smell spread. When you spray the perfume on your body, it spread its smell. So it is also a form of gas. Next one is change of state. Water can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Simply, it is a glass of water. When we evaporate it by heating, the gas comes, that is condensation process. Again it is a liquid. When we freeze it in a freezer, then it becomes ice, that is a solid thing. Again the ice is melt and it become water, that is liquid. Means firstly liquid changes into gas, then gas changes into liquid, again liquid changes into solid shape, and then this solid changes into liquid. So today we discuss about the matter and the three states of matter. So your homework is learn the keywords and exercise 1 to 4. Try to solve the exercise 1, 2 and 4 and write on your notebook. Thank you.